started here with filming just a Juggernaut video, but we realized the Juggernaut gave us so much like RPM power that we really just want to like drive this thing more. And I think y'all would enjoy us ripping this thing in some gravel and doing dumb stuff and trying to hurt ourselves. So let's just do this. This is kind of a spontaneous video. It's basically just going to be driving this thing. So I hope you enjoy it. We used to call this trying to brake, and essentially we're build, break, repeat. So the idea is we just send it as hard as we can, and if something breaks on it, we basically just know to fix it before paint. We've been sending it all day long in this thing, and nothing's broken, so I guess if we can break anything on that, that'd be quite the feat. But let's just get to ripping this thing. Hope y'all enjoy this one. It's a lot of fun. We're gonna do a little bit of a build breakdown for y'all here if this is the first video of this thing you've seen. Essentially, this started out as a 90cc kids ATV with a little leash on the back of it that was connected to a kill switch. So if your kid went too fast, the parent could just pull the kill switch out. So we're talking that kind of ATV. And it started with us doing a budget build on it where we took the original engine off and put on a regular 212. And we liked it so much that we decided to stretch this thing, widen it, put a new suspension on it, and a built motor. So going into the motor, it's a built electric start Tillotson from Go Power Sports with a rod and a 265 cam, so it thumps pretty good. It just has a typical 22 mil Mikuni on her, and that does fine. It's got a header with RLV muffler. That's it for the motor stuff. What we did is we lengthened the front A-arms and made a fully custom rear swing arm here for the back, and we upgraded it to 40 chain and a hydraulic disc brake. It's got slick tires on it because we wanted it to have that kind of stunt ATV look, and it helps us drift around on this gravel and stuff real nice. And then a new part we've never used before is this Juggernaut driver pulley. It essentially just replaces a 30 series driver and gives you a lot more torque, and it makes a built engine happier in its power band by shifting it upwards, because the active range of a typical driver is on the lower power band where a regular Predator would be more happy. So with that being said, that's kind of the build breakdown of this thing. It still needs paint, but like we said before, we're gonna try to break it first. Ready?
Yep. Dang. That wasn't too bad though. Not too bad of a fall.
Wow, that's really fun. It's like drifting a car. Like, it's not like it's like a lot like drifting a go-kart. Are you recording or no? Oh yeah.
You're still in.
Drifting a go-kart takes a lot of skill, don't get me wrong, but like this is really hard to kind of keep a drift going.
Yeah,
wow.
This is definitely where it's meant to be. Yeah. Like, it's most fun on loose surface.
That was really fun. I'm gonna do a little more. That's enough before I break my neck. Jason's turn. That's really fun. Yeah, y'all should build one of these. If you have one of these sitting in resources, you should go for it. It's really fun. It's nothing like we've ever ridden before. Whew. All right. Alright, Jason, we upped your life insurance policy.
Yep.
Let's get it.
Yeah, it's done.
Woo. You alright, brother?
Yeah.
Cart's alright? Oh, dude, I went in the ant pile. Sorry, ants.
Poor guys. How was that?
Wow. That is super fun and pretty brutal. I'm all yeah. But yeah. I don't know what to say.
Nice. Yeah, you know, this thing does all the talking, so.
Yeah.
Whew. Yeah, and future plans for this thing, we do want to throw a little light bar on the front there, and we also want to put some netting right here, like where your feet rest should go, because that would make stunning a lot easier too. But yeah, it was fun.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a lot of fun. Both of us got kicked off of it, so you know, it worked the number on us there, but the Juggernaut held up, all our frame components held up, the axle's not bent, nothing like that. We're super surprised on how well this frame, like the base frame itself, we added a lot of structure to it, but really just the fact that this was like a little kid's like 90cc ATV, and like the fact that we just put like close to 20 horsepower on it, it's a big deal, and it's still holding up fine. So I think that withstood the test. We get a little check mark there, so now we can strip it down and get it ready for paint. But thank you, Go Power Sports. Definitely check it out. Our previous builds kind of show the whole like timeline of this thing up to here, so definitely check those out and see this thing coming. It's coming to be the beast it is right now. But we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.